Happy birthday to you.
Big hug, Sir June. Galubog ka sa Sinta, isingko.
We hope all your birthday wishes come true.
Cheers to another year of good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir June. This is Rojas Branch standing by.
Hi, Sir June. We are so proud to tell you, sir, that it's such a great pleasure to us working with you, sir. You're such a great leader to us, and you deserve a warm greetings from us, sir.
And also, thank you for your guidance and support. Wishing you continued success and happiness in your special day. Happy birthday, Sir June!
Sir June, happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and long life. Yeah, salamat sa tanan, sir.
Sir John, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Sir, thank you kayo labi na sa imong mga tabo.
Sir June, happy birthday to you. No words can express how grateful and happy we are having you as our boss. A very understanding, kind, and extremely generous.
Saying thank you is not enough. You are simply the best and amazing boss.
This is Fran and Mayan Branch wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, Sir John. Wishing you a happiness, success, and good health, sir.
Thank you, sir, for being an inspiring leader and helping us towards success.
Enjoy your special day, sir. Happy birthday.
Happy 65th birthday, Sir June. Today marks a significant milestone in a life filled of love, laughter, and countless memories. You have been a guiding light and a source of strength for many, and your legacy is one of kindness, wisdom, and unwavering support.
As you celebrate this special day, may you be reminded of all the lives you've touched and the hearts you've warmed. Here's to a continued journey of joy, health, and discovery.
Cheers to a wonderful 65 years and many more to come. Once again, happy birthday, Sir June, from Barili Branch.
Hi, Sir John. Happy birthday.
Wishing you a good health, wealth, and happiness in your life.
Happy birthday, Sir John. The more blessings you have, the more birthdays to come. Happy birthday again, sir. Enjoy your day. This is from Camotes Branch.
Hi sir! Happy birthday from Kabangkalan. Sa liwat sir, salamat sa tanan-tanan ni ginahatag mga kaayo sa amon, sa tanan sa pagpalangga, sa pagtratar sa amon sa family, sa ining company. Thankful gid kami sir nga until now ari kami sa Orient Asia with your management. Salamat kaayo sir. Kabay pa tagaan ka sang maayong lawas ni Lord nga maglawig pagid ang aton pag-inugdanay diri sa Orient Asia. Thank you kaayo sir sa imong kabuot, kamaayo, kag pagpalangga sa tanan mga empleyado. Happy again birthday sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday Sir June. Salamat gid sa imo kaayo sir sa amon. Kabay pa nga tagaan ka pagid sa maayong lawas, kag madamo pagid nga birthday, kag kabay pa nga i-bless ka pagid ni Lord si maayong madamo nga blessings. Salamat kay Sir Liwat. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sir June! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sir June! Enjoy your day!
Hi Sir John! Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, sir! Wishing you a day that is as special as you are. Wishing you a good health and sending you a lot of love.
Kabay pa, sir, na ubayan ka lang perminikat sa adlaw-adlaw nga tanan. We are very grateful to have you as our general manager for your kind and care. Thank you, sir. Just enjoy your day, your special day, and God bless you always, sir. Thank you so much. Love.
Happy birthday, Sir June.
God bless you always from San Carlos Branch.
Today we send our heartfelt greetings to our General Manager, Wally. Sir June, happy birthday, sir.
As we celebrate your birthday, we wish you all joy and happiness. Your dedication and commitment to this company inspires us. Thank you for your outstanding leadership and for being an inspiration to all of us.
Sir, once again, maayong pagsaulog sa inyong adlaw nga tawahan o salamat kaayo. God bless, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir June! Wishing you more years to celebrate, good health, more blessings to come, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the leader who inspires us with dedication and hard work. Cheers and enjoy, Sir June. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir June. You're not only an incredible boss, but also a wonderful person. Thank you for your kindness, empathy, and knowledge you bring to the company. Cheers for more years to celebrate. Happy birthday, Sir June. Happy birthday, sir, for all your brands. Thank you.
Happy 65th birthday, Sir June. Your leadership, dedication, and vision have been instrumental in our success. Your ability to inspire and motivate the team is truly remarkable. On this special day, we want to express our gratitude for your hard work and commitment to excellence.
May this year bring you joy, fulfillment, and continued success in both your personal and professional life. Cheers to another amazing year ahead. Happy birthday from Makasig Branch.
Happy birthday, Sir June. Good health always and more birthdays to come. From Haro Branch.
Happy birthday, Sir June. Wishing you good health and God bless. From Pasig Branch.
Hi, Sir June. On this day, we wish you a wonderful birthday filled with laughter and happiness. More birthdays to come and good health.
Sir John, salamat sa imong pagka-manghihatagon from Loon Branch.
Happy birthday, Sir June.
Happy 65th birthday, Sir June. Wishing you many, many more birthdays to come and good health always. God bless you from all of us in Tagbilaran Branch. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy 65th birthday, Sir June. On your special day, we wish you excellent health, extraordinary happiness, love, and all the wonderful things that you deserve. You are an inspiration to us. We wish you nothing but the best on your special day and year. Again, happiest birthday, sir, and stay blessed.
Happy 65th birthday, Sir June. Thank you for your kindness, support, and encouragement. We wish you success, health, and happiness on your birthday. Again, happy birthday, Sir June, from Davao Branch.
Happy birthday, Sir June. Thank you for your support. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday from Davao Branch.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Sir June. Naway pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon, hindi lang ngayon kundi sa mga susunod pang araw. Naway bigyan ka na ng marami pang taon sa iyong buhay upang makapaglingkod sa Kanya sa pamamagitan ng pagtulong sa iba. Salamat sa iyong napakabuting puso.
Happy birthday to the best boss anyone could ask for. We just wanted to say thank you for your dedication and support. Again, happy birthday, Sir June.
Happy birthday, Sir June, from Panabo Branch. We are grateful having you as our boss. Thank you for all the blessings you share. Wishing you all the happiness your heart can hold. God bless your generous heart.
Hello, sir. Good day.
Happy birthday, Sir June. We always pray that you're always in good health.
And more success in your special day.
Happy birthday, sir. God bless.
Good morning, Sir John. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for being great and generous boss to us. I wish you all the best in life and good health. Happy birthday, Sir John. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Maligayang kaarawan, Sir Jun. Maligayang kaarawan po, Sir Jun. Hiling po namin ang siksik, liglig, umaapaw na biyaya.
Maligayang kaarawan, Sir June. Bigyan ka po lagi ng malusog na pangangatawan at bigyan ka po ng napakahabang buhay.
Muli po sa bumubuo ng Orient Asia Lending, kami po dito sa Pampanga Branch, buong puso at masayang bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Sir June! Wish you all the best in life, good health, and happiness. Thank you, sir, sa imuhang matagtuig o matagtuig nga kamaayo sa amo ang tanan. Inaot the next year pupon na naghihapon o madungagan pa joke. Thank you, sir, for always guiding us towards our success.
Happy birthday, Sir June. May your birthday be as outstanding as your achievements. You are the reason our team strives and your leadership inspires us all.
Happy birthday, Sir June. Wishing you a very happy birthday. In a year filled with love, adventure, and prosperity. Nasaad ko na ang Ginoo kanunay pa maghahatag ng katuigan sa imong kinabuhi. Once again,
Happy birthday, Sir June. We love you from Happy Branch.
Happy birthday to an amazing boss who always brings out the best in us. Here's to many more years of leadership and inspiration. Happy birthday, sir.
Hello, Sir June. Today is your 65th birthday. I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for your good leadership, mentorship, and the positive impact you had on our professional journey. Daghan kayong salamat, sir, sa imuhang kamaayo namong tanan. I love you, sir. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday